just how brightly coloured that system was. It is now easing and clearing out into the Atlantic. We'll see some weather systems developing in the Atlantic as we go through the night, producing more cloud and rain to the north of the UK, some clearer skies at first in the south with some lighter winds, and this high pressure influencing things could produce some patchy mist and some fog around, and certainly making it quite chilly in a few places. But all the while we'll keep those cloudier skies in the north. Some patchy rain for most, always heaviest and most persistent across northwest Scotland, where temperatures will start Wednesday morning at around 7 to 8 degrees. And as we start Wednesday morning, it is going to be a rather grey affair. It shouldn't be quite as chilly as it was throughout the day on Tuesday, with temperatures slightly higher. We'll need to get things underway, clearing away any mist and fog in the south, so brightening up for a time before it gradually turns more overcast. Always holding on to more cloud across northern England, Northern Ireland and into Scotland, where that rain by the afternoon pushes into the Northern Isles, sitting across the Western Isles. The cloud might just be thick enough across southwest England to produce 1 or 2 very light showers. You'll be unlucky if you catch one. Most places will be dry, if a little bit overcast, and you can see temperatures 13 to 14 degrees. Now for Northern Ireland, we're holding on to some cloud, but the afternoon should be mainly dry. Any rain patchy and light, but certainly much more persistent across the northwest Highlands. Again, we're looking at some drier weather through the central lowlands and into Aberdeenshire. But that weather front is still with us. Although it's weakening, it continues to feed in some rain across Scotland throughout the night before eventually sinking its way further south. Temperature-wise on Thursday, quite widely 8 or 9 first thing in the morning. So not a particularly cold start to the day, but yet again we're talking about fairly cloudy skies. The thickest of the cloud really tied in with this weather front, which might produce some very patchy and some light rain, but it is moving into our high pressure system, which is quite dominant, so it will be weakening all the time. Behind it, the skies will brighten to see some sunshine around, but another fresher feel. Ahead of it, although it's quite overcast, we'll see temperatures at around 13 to 16 degrees. Even to the end of the week, we've got a good deal of dry weather around. The brightest of the weather on Friday in the north. On Saturday sees another system approaching, thickening up that cloud, maybe bringing some rain to the northwest. Across parts of northern England and into the Midlands, we've got some bright spells on Friday, slightly cloudier skies as we start the weekend. And a weak front to clear away from the south on Friday at first, but once it does so, again it's going to be dry and temperatures around 13 to 14. You can get more details on the weather across the US and the UK by heading to our BBC Weather website. Bye for now.